Okay, today we're going to unbox the portable YunTeng, let me see, tripod stand selfie stick with Bluetooth shuttle from a certain supplier. It was ordered on June 10 and then it arrived after 6 days, so not bad. Since the ease down on the lockdown and the restrictions, I've been dying to order from Lazada. And I have ordered 24 pieces, 2 dozens of items. So it's in a bubble wrap, neatly packed. Okay, I'm going to open this. It's nice. There's a bubble wrap. Although the garbage is compiling and piling up. I think they should invent biodegradable bubble wrap or something that prevents it from damage. That is biodegradable to preserve and protect the earth. So, okay, it's in a box by YunTeng. I hope this is original and it will last. It's nice to have a tripod. It's not. Oh, it's the. It looks flimsy. It's too loose. Oh, this one. Yeah. You can put your cell phone here. I think I have to put a cell phone so we can try. Okay, inside the box we'll see that there is a manual in Chinese characters, but there's also a translation in English, but they forgot to change the Chinese characters in the photos. So it's easy to pair. You just have to click this one on off, and then if you have already placed your cell phone, and then pair it with your Bluetooth settings. So it's easy, and we found out that it's working. And to lock this thing, you have the screw here, and the locking mechanism for it, so it's not, as we open it, as flimsy. And then you have to lock the bowl from here, so your cell phone will be safely in place. And this is the way to press the camera on or click it. So since this is a telescoping device, well, let's check first for the stability if we want to use it as a tripod. Okay, let's remove the bubble wrap because it's not stable. So there, it's longer. I hope no one messes with your camera because it's not balanced. The center pole is taller than everything else, so this is as stable as it can be. Oh, if you want to use this as a stick, selfie stick, you just have to pull it up. And it can stand on its own. Ooh, it's not so stable. Especially if your phone is a bit heavy. Okay. That's how long it is. It's not. Okay, look at that. It's maybe a meter. Can you see it? Okay, so it's good for a selfie stick. There's another model for YunTeng if you wanted to use for your camera, so that makes it more stable. Okay, that's it for today for our YunTeng tripod. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.